The San Joaquin Council of Governments has released the initial draft of its 2014 Regional Transportation Plan and Sustainable Communities Strategy. The plan identifies projects and transportation management strategies intended to accommodate both future transportation needs and desired environmental benefits. Through extensive public input and direction from the RTP-SCS Advisory Committee and the SJCOG Board, staff has developed Scenario C Enhanced as the foundation of the draft RTP and SCS. The plan seeks to enhance the environment for existing and future generations, create equitable communities, expand the efficiency of the transit network, maintain and streamline the roadway network, promote public health through active communities, and support the economy. The plan forecasts transportation projects and strategies that meet both future transportation needs and desired environmental benefits over the next 27 years. In total, the plan assumes $11 billion in projected federal, state, and local revenues to be available between 2014 and 2040 to support the transportation investments in the plan. The plan allocates 35.4% of spending to roadway operations and maintenance, 29.9% to roadway capacity, 32.1% to transit, and 2.6% to active transportation, which includes projects and programs for biking, walking, and community enhancements. The plan uses a number of performance outcomes to see how it meets sustainability goals, such as reducing greenhouse gas emissions, increasing resident access to transit, biking, and walking, and improving public health and economic vitality. These performance outcomes include a decrease in per capita greenhouse gas emissions by 23.9% by 2020 and 24.6% by 2035, a 2.91% decrease in vehicle miles traveled, a 13.82% increase in transit ridership, 858 more bike and walk trips daily, 45,000 fewer solo automobile trips daily. 23% of all households and 39% of all jobs will be in a high-quality transit area by 2040. And finally, an average of 4,833 full-time equivalent jobs created annually by RTP projects. The plan seeks to build San Joaquin County's economic competitiveness by creating transportation systems that streamline goods movement. These include highway improvements that bolster the economic centers, improving access to the Port of Stockton and Stockton Metropolitan Airport, and strengthening the connectivity of key regional roadways and interchanges. The plan furthermore seeks to create an environment that attracts white-collar jobs to the region through increased investments in active transportation, compact and mixed-use developments, high-quality transit, and community investments. Many challenges and opportunities lie ahead as we move forward in creating sustainable communities. Using the feedback received from San Joaquin public agencies, community members, businesses, and other stakeholders, SJCOG has created an ambitious but achievable plan for the San Joaquin region that helps fight climate change through its integrated land use and transportation planning efforts. The San Joaquin Council of Governments will be conducting a number of public outreach events about the plan. These include an open house and information session at SJCOG in Stockton on March 20th, a public hearing at the SJCOG board meeting on March 27th, and a public hearing at the Ripon Public Library on April 10th, along with a number of other presentations at local jurisdictions throughout March and April. For additional information and updates, please visit our website at sjcog.org/valleyvisions.